I'm Laura Tran.
I'm Jason Lee.
And today we'll be discussing a few stocks. But first off, this week is Christmas week. Are you ready?
I love Christmas. My favorite, holidays.
Is it?
Yeah.
What's your favorite about it?
Well, I get presents from people.
Well, that's fun too. I haven't decorated anything at all, so I'm kind of procrastinating last minute gifts this week.
You better hurry. It's packed on the street right now. It's crazy.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
The lines are ridiculous, but
Yeah.
thank God for Amazon.
Oh, yeah. That's right. You have Prime?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Yeah.
It's a must.
Yeah.
So what were you talking about this week?
So this week is Christmas week, so they have just a few stock reporting ER this week.
Okay.
So there are 3 stocks that I'm looking at this week. One of them is Nike. Okay, Nike is the shoe.
Yes.
Which I like Nike shoe, but I don't wear them very often because I like dress shoe.
Dress shoes?
Yeah, more than tennis shoe, but I still like them. So Nike right now the stock price is about $106.
Okay.
That went down quite a bit for the last 3 months because of supply and demand, and also because of production reduction. So this week, because the price of Nike right now about 106, I'm thinking the stock will move about $10.
Okay.
Yeah, $10 at the most. And actually, they're reporting tomorrow after the bell close.
Okay.
So if you want to buy tomorrow, so you should wait until 12:30.
What? Time zone?
California time.
Okay.
In Arizona, it's about 1:30.
Okay.
Yeah, so I keep thinking about California. See, I love California.
12:30 PST.
Yeah. Yes, 12:30 PST. So if you want to buy stock tomorrow on Nike, so 12:30 PST, it's gonna move about $10, roughly about $10, maybe a little bit more, but it's not gonna be a lot. I would say $10 to $12 at the most.
Okay.
All right. And then the next stock I'm gonna be looking at would be FedEx. I like FedEx stock, but I don't like the company, to be honest, because they always lose my stuff. Man, it's crazy. Every time I order something, they lose my stuff.
It's holiday season. They have a lot of packages to
I don't
deliver.
know. Even when somebody send me stuff, they lose it. And I call them, they said, well, you sure? I said, hell, I got a camera. Of course, yeah. So
Oh, that's important. Camera. That's a big purchase to
yeah,
be lost.
yeah. So, but anyway, but FedEx right now, I think tomorrow they're gonna move roughly about $12 to $15 at the most.
Okay.
Yeah, so at the most $12 to $15. FedEx, that went down a lot last quarter because of the amount of delivery that we received is way less than what they expected. So I don't know, maybe because right now they're
You said last year?
last quarter.
Last quarter. Oh.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
Interesting. I'm surprised actually, because you think that with COVID they'll have more demand.
Somehow because I guess cost.
Oh.
Yeah, cost. Everything went up, so they cut down manpower. They cut down the labor force, so they have less delivery. To be honest, yeah, that's why it takes forever to get your stuff. So
Interesting.
yeah, and the last stock that I'll be looking at this week would be Carmax.
Okay.
The used car, the superstore.
Right.
And funny thing is, I used to work there.
Oh.
Yeah,
So you
you
have
can
some
work out.
inside tips?
No. I was just a financial guy there.
Oh, okay.
I was just doing paperwork there, but they were doing so well during the COVID. The demand of used car was super high a few weeks ago.
Yes.
Till now, I don't know what's happened, but right now people are buying new car instead of used car.
Yeah, I noticed with the used car market too, it's gone down quite a bit this week.
Yeah, so right now if you buy a new car, it's much better than buy a used car. So, and I think with Carmax right now, the price is about $55 right now as we're speaking. So I think Carmax will move roughly about $7 to $8 at the most.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you want to, make some money this week to go get your, Christmas, last minute Christmas shopping, you might want to look at Nike, FedEx, and Carmax.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nike, FedEx, and Carmax.
Yeah, I think you'll be making some good money this week. Friday, there's nothing to report because it's Christmas on Sunday, so on Friday, there's nothing to report at all.
Okay.
So, and also this week, the stock has been going down. Last week, the stock has been going down, and today, the stock also went down because investors are afraid we are going to go into a recession. But to me, we are already in a recession. We're just going to be heavily going to deeper recession. So, and because, the Fed, they didn't do anything, I would say they haven't done a good job at all. All they did was just raise the rate.
So a little bit about last week. Remember our prediction?
Yeah.
So
Our prediction on Adobe was on point.
Yes.
Adobe moved $23. I said it's gonna move $20. It moved $23. I make money. I don't know if you play or not, but I did make money. Yeah, all my students make money too. So.
Good. Well, that completes for this week. And stay tuned for next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channels. And we'll see you next week. So Merry Christmas.
Merry
and Happy
Christmas.
Holiday.
Happy holiday.